Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Take this tab and I've been down, baby. Baby, reminiscing. Baby, you're my missing. You wishing was living in what it was.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're heading to Home Goods. Today is March 31st and I should be moving into my new apartment April 14th, they said. So I'm trying to get some moving boxes and everything just so I can, you know, pack up and move and everything like that. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me to move and do all this other fun stuff. So I'm gonna just bring y'all along with me. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do on a day-to-day. So I'm thinking about calling this the moving series because honestly, it's about to get hectic. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Like, we're gonna be packing up the whole house, and this is my first time like moving from an apartment to a different apartment. Normally, you know, this is my first ever apartment, so I'm happy that I'm moving because I really don't like this apartment. I'm sorry, my son is getting upset, so once he calms down, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. We are in Home Depot. So say hi, Malik. Say hi. Okay, this is not where we need to be. We are currently lost looking for the moving boxes and pliers because my man asked me to get pliers. So I am currently looking for pliers. I don't know why I was so close. Currently looking for pliers and moving boxes. Y'all, I don't know where the hell I'm going. Oh, that's a nice fish. Yeah. So we're currently at the pliers. Now this one says 16. So that's not bad. But oh, 12. Let's go with the cheapest one. I was gonna get this one, but we don't need this one. It's too big. Nope. So we finally found the moving boxes. My son is upset because he was watching Cocomelon, but it's okay because he's gonna watch his show in a second. But yeah, so I got the moving boxes and this moving series is about to begin. So let's get it motherfucking started, okay? Period. Say hey. Okay, we're gonna watch the show. Talk to y'all in a few. Hey y'all, so we're back at the house. Don't mind my house. My house look like a hot stinking mess, but this new place, we're gonna put more effort into it. It looks a lot nicer. It's a lot more affordable. Don't mind. Girl, y'all, why did I do my mannequin head? I need a new mannequin head. Okay, but I'm gonna pack up the whole house. I got the boxes right here. And yeah, like babes, we gotta pack up this whole house. Okay, so don't mind the whole process. Don't mind my lashes. I'm gonna get them redone. I was sick the other day, y'all. Let me tell y'all about this food fucking poisoning I got at work. So I was eating some chicken from work and from home. I don't know if it's work or home. Let me not say that because I don't know. Because me and my boyfriend got sick. So could be that the chicken that we cooked, or I don't know, or maybe it was a stomach virus because both of us got it. But I don't know. But I really have to pack up this house and throw away a lot of stuff, and I'm not looking forward to it. I'm not looking forward to it, you guys. Like, I hate packing. I even hate packing for a trip. So just imagine. Okay, good. Just imagine, like, I just hate packing, period. I hate packing for a trip. I hate packing up the god dang house. Now I have to pack this whole house up and move, and this process is gonna be a long process, but I'm gonna take y'all on this journey because I want to show y'all the start to the finish line and just documenting my journey with you guys, because yeah. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what other videos other than the moving series that you guys would like to watch. I'm gonna show y'all a little car decoration and stuff like that, but I'm waiting on the car seat. I got some of the stuff from way before I bought the car, but also I need to get a car seat cover, and I feel like then it will be complete, my car decorating, and probably a few razzle dazzle too, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna get started with packing, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm still feeling a little sick, but I feel a lot better. I'm here with my mom. She's looking at me, but so we're going on the road right now to go get some stuff for my new place and and everything. But I hope you guys enjoy this little montage, so I catch you in the next clip. All right, bye. Okay, welcome to my new place. If I can get the key. Ta-da! Okay, so this is my son's stuff. All right, so this is a new place. What y'all think? What y'all think? Let me turn on the light. First and foremost, let's talk about this laundry room. So right here is the laundry room, and I really like that. It's nice and spacious. Okay, so these are the cleaning supplies that I left here the last time I came. Let me turn on the light, you guys. So this is the kitchen. Look at the kitchen, and the first door to the kitchen is the pantry. I really like this pantry because it has a door. My last place didn't have one. Now, disclaimer, this apartment is for a disabled person. That's why the countertops are so low. But this is the fridge. Nice and spacious. Okay. All right. This is the microwave that it comes with. The stove. Okay. So that's why it looks like this, because it's for a disabled person and this is the only one they had. So I'm gonna go right here. This is the living room, and I really like the living room. It's nice and spacious. And this is the outside. And this is the
first bedroom. This is my bedroom. Okay. And this right here is the closet. Nice and cute. First room, because it's 2 bedrooms. This is the bathroom. Don't mind my hair, y'all. But yeah, this is the bathroom. Real cute. Love the shower features. Real nice. Real nice, real nice. Okay, yes, and my son is literally running behind me. This is his room. This is the second room. And this is the walk-in closet. So he has a walk-in closet, you guys. And look at that. My son got a walk-in closet. Purr. Purr. Hey, Malik. Okay, and this is the bathroom. The other bathroom. I want to show y'all. This other bathroom is bigger than, like I said, it's for a disabled person. But yeah. And look at how much space it has. Great. So, thank you guys for watching. I know it's quick, but we had to do this quick, fast, and in a hurry because my family is right behind me. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. And yeah.